And today I'm explaining about typography design in Illustrator. Okay, yesterday I explained everything about typography. Uh, that is a theory. Okay, so about fonts and font styles, and about alignments and everything I explained. Here I'm going to explain about typography design. Actually, in a single word, single line, if you understand, typography means what? Decoration with fonts without using any image. Okay, so we have to decorate our design with only fonts in a decorative manner. That is actually okay. So sometimes for the creative purpose, for the give the different look. Okay, so directors and the creative people, creative directors in advertising agencies, they'll plan a design with only fonts and text, but not with any images. Okay, so that we'll do today. Okay, yeah. First, so I'll create some text. Suppose graphic design. No, design and animation. SIGN. Design and this is my the word design and animation. Suppose this I use instead of this end word, I use this end symbol. Okay, yeah. So I'm planning a poster. Okay, so for that I'll take A3 size paper, A3 size, okay, and CMYK and resolution 300. You'll get this. You can control X and come here and you can paste it here. Okay, this is my this is you can remove now. This is this is now. Check the font. Okay, I'll duplicate first this. So by pressing Alt, I'm getting this duplicator, and here I want to change the font. For that, what I'm doing, I can make it the bold text I want. Then with this touch type tool, just select this, okay, and you can make it the bigger font, only that, and you can select this one. You can move this also accordingly. Or otherwise, if you want the same size, if you want, this is 72 point, and this is 72 point, but here and select this, and suppose make it 60 point. Change this and make it 60 point. Okay. Sorry. And this is design animation. So here what I'll do, I'll change the color for this, so make it red. Okay, so get the blue. Okay, so here I want to remove this also. Here set the leading lens, suppose this is 72. I'll give suppose 100, but here I'm giving more, suppose 150. Yes. Yes. Otherwise I'll do one thing. So instead of this, yes, I keep this only. Okay, next what I'm doing, so here I want to change the font. Check any interesting font. So okay, I'm using only this font, the Arial only. Next, Mitrich Pro. Okay. Next, what I'm doing, can reduce this size. Okay, then select entire font and you can right click and create outlines. Okay, so it is converted into outlines. Okay, then what you do after that, so give any different colors, the gradient colors. So I want plain only. Okay, now what I'm doing, so already I created outline. So yes, then what I'll do, select this entire the text and right click and ungroup. It's okay, ungrouped. So now each one separated from the sentence. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, this design, okay, select only this design, and from object you can group it, grouped. Okay, and then you can select this animation only. Okay, so here I'm trying to give colors because I don't want that color, something like some yellow, because it is already, yeah, this I want not red, actually the blue. Yeah, this is okay. And here this one, this already grouped, make it just ungroup, because I want to select this portion. Okay, I want to give the same color here. Okay, yeah, this one I'll give with red. So here it is red and blue, and here it is no control Z. Yeah, okay, but here these fonts give yellow only. Yes, okay. Now you can drag this and select this, and from select group, group this one, and now this also you can select and group grouped. Okay, so then what you do, select this piece and from object come to envelope distortion, make with mesh. Okay, so make it 3 by 3, suppose here 3 and here 3. So yeah, okay. Now select this with the direct selection tool, this lower portion. Okay, and you can change the direction of that how you want actually, and you can select this also. Suppose control that, yes, I want to select this. Okay, select this. If you don't like, you can make, don't change that. Okay, so for me this normal text is looking good. but you can give some, yes, this you can keep side, for time being, and you can select this, okay, up to here. You can do that. And the same way you can select everything, and from object, okay, this is already grouped, and now from object, envelope distortion, and make with the mesh, okay, make it 3 by 3 only. Now from the direct selection tool, select these points, the lower points, and get up to here, okay. Suppose if you don't like that, okay, for me this I'll keep as Disney, okay. Yes. Now what I'll do, this portion, suppose yes. Now what I'll do, this entire portion, select this, okay, and right click and group, or otherwise you can select them, object and group, okay. So this, the whole object convert into group. Can delete that, not required. Now what I'm doing, with this rotation tool, select the rotation tool, okay. First you select this, and with this tool, with this rotation tool, you can select, and there you will get this pointer, okay, reference pointer. That point we have to drag down here. So by pressing the alt, drop this here, okay, and click then, and suppose here give some value, suppose 25 degrees, make preview and get copy of that, and suppose it's not looking good, so Control Z, and again you can select this, okay, and with this rotation tool you drag this pointer more down by pressing alt, take this point here, okay, and here what you do, make it suppose 40, and copy, yes, okay, and now press Control D, okay, you got the duplicates of that, okay. So nicely that font rotated, okay. Now what you do, can select everything and right click and make group. So here now everything it is grouped. Now you can reduce this size, keep there here, okay. here I'll change this font color, text color into white. For time being I'll keep this, and here I want the dark color for this. Okay, here I'm using one box and black, it looks more good. Okay, and now keep this you can drag down. Okay, and you can lock this. Okay, so now what I'll do, get this font here, changing the text into typography is about typography is all about text and fonts. Yes, yes. So you can select this and I use Arial, the bold, and suppose black and right click, can create outlines, created. And now you can select this, and from object ungroup. Okay, so ungroup each one. Okay, now what I am doing, this you can sorry, this is all about you can select this and make a group. Where is that group? Okay, and you can separate this. Now for the typography, what you'll do, get this T here and keep there. Okay, so each one I want. Now readability, we are missing that readability. For that reason, what I'll do, I use from object and envelope distortion and make with mesh and by 3. Okay, and by selecting this, I can drag this. So first you can keep them side. Control chapter. Keep them side. We select this and select by this direct selection tool. Okay, now I select this one. This entire one, you can select this and you can keep there. Select this one only, and suppose some planning the red of that. I'll change it into yellow. On black, the yellow looks good, more good. Okay. Horizontal align center, no. So this I'll use vertical distribute center, no. So here I'm trying to use this alignments. difficultly. Yes. Okay. Anyway, I'll keep this because this is looking good. Okay, and now you can group these. You can group this. Okay, this and this you can select now. There is only two portions you can select now. Move up. Okay. Typography is all about text and fonts. So here I'm copying this. Suppose first I want to ungroup this, and I want this only. Control C, and here Control V, the paste here. You can select exit this center. Okay, and I'll keep there. And now you can group everything. Group. It is grouped. Typography is all about text and fonts. So here what I'll do, I'll select everything and make it group, including this T. Now you can reduce the size of that. This is, just make it bit bigger. Yes. Okay, so now what I'm using, so I'm making the duplicates of that. One duplicate and one more duplicate. Okay, so I reduce them by selecting these two. Okay, now come here, we can keep there. Just delete this. I don't want this actually. I want to make a border here. Yes. For that here I'm giving one border, and that can be the big size of that. I want to use this in a big size. now what I'm changing, what I'm doing, I'm planning this. Yes, so from there give type on path tool, just you can click on that. Okay, so and change the font size. Suppose only that 24. Okay, and that too okay. So here want to make the dummy text. I'm giving the dummy text to fill that. So up to fill entire border. See, this is my poster. Okay, so I don't use any the image or the picture, just only by using text I created this poster. Okay, so typography is all about text and fonts. Okay, so this is the sample poster. Okay, suppose you can save it, Control S. Okay, and suppose here so from desktop rising stars. Well, yes, this is typography poster design, okay, in Illustrator. Save. So okay, and I'm saving this into JPEG. Export as. So on the same name, typography poster design Illustrator, use artboards. So export, okay, maximum, okay. Now if you see this, you'll understand actually. Yes, this is nice, okay, but the text I want to move a bit inside. Yes, that is important. So Alt Shift you can get more. Yes. This is, and here can give yes. Now you can save this, export as, and the same name, and you check this, replace, go to your folder, and you can now see that yes, this is nice, okay, this is nice. Now can save this Illustrator file also. Control yes, Control yes. Yeah, this is how to use typography in Illustrator. So you can create some people they use different vehicles with different shapes. So draw one shape your desired, okay, you like shape, you can draw one shape, so you can flow the text, okay, with that shape. You can use anyway your creativity, your idea, and how you want. So you can design and decorate your own way. So this is the typography uses in a design, okay. So you also have to practice this, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you.